Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to eject an external storage device on your Mac. There are multiple ways you can do it, so I'm gonna show you all of them. The first one is click with two fingers on the icon of your external storage, which may be on your desktop. Then click on eject. The other way is to drag that disk to trash and it will also eject. You can also just click on it and click on Command Delete on your keyboard and it will also eject. But if that drive is not on your desktop, then you can just go into Finder. Then in the locations you should be able to see your drive. And you can also click here on eject or click with two fingers and click on eject. So there's many different ways you can eject your drive. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.